Hey guys, welcome back to Manda's kitchen. So today's scrumptious recipe is a winter special recipe which is made with jaggery and carrots. So let's make this delicious halwa. Start the recipe by adding 2 tablespoons of ghee into a kadai. Once the ghee is melted nicely, add in half a kg of grated carrot. Here I have grated the carrot very finely to speed up the cooking process. Now nicely sauté the carrot in the ghee for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once the moisture from the carrot evaporates, add in a cup of milk. Now cook this mixture for another 5 to 10 minutes or until the milk is absorbed completely. Now the milk has reduced to a perfect consistency, so let's add in some sweetness. Here I am adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of crushed jaggery. You can use sugar instead. Make sure to add the jaggery once the milk is completely absorbed. Now goes in a tablespoon of crushed cardamom. Give it a nice mix and cook until the jaggery dissolves. The jaggery is now nicely dissolved. Now add in some chopped nuts and raisins. Give it a final mix and our halwa is ready to be served. So don't forget to try this recipe this winter and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.